How to delete Instagram saved passwords. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Passwords application on your device. You will be prompted to enter your Face ID or your passcode, so go ahead and enter that in order to unlock the Passwords application. Now, once unlocked, tap on the search bar there and search for Instagram. Further, tap on the profile whose password you want to delete and then tap on the edit button on the top right of your screen. You will then see the option for delete password. Tap on that, and when prompted, tap on delete again. And with this, the password for that particular account will be deleted. So, this is how you can delete saved passwords for Instagram on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.